Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to create these text animations using your smartphone with Alight Motion app. So all you need to do is to stay tuned and watch this video from the beginning to the end, and don't forget to give a like. Let's go. Alright, so this is Alight Motion. You get my point. So now you click on the plus button right here. Then you can set your own project name. So I'll type text animation. Then I'm set my aspect ratio to 9:16. Then click on OK and create project. So now you're going to have this interface like this. So what I will do, I'll click on the plus button below to add a rectangle shape. From here, I'll tap on the three dots at the top right corner of my screen. Now click on stretch to composition area. So you can decide to change the color by going to color and fill. So right now I'm going to use green. You get my point? Then I'll click on this navigation button, tap on it again. Then I'll have to stretch this and make it up to 4 seconds. You get my point? Now you click on the text, click on this plus button below, click on text. So here I'll have to write my own text, so you can decide to put your own text, anything you want to write. So I'll write Mr. Cray 10 updates. That is my name. So from here you can select to leave it at the center. Then you can change your font size. So I will not go far. I'm going to select this font. Then I'll increase the size to 40. You get my, tap on OK again. So from here I'm going to stretch this to get to the end of the layer. 4 seconds. All right. So on the text layer, tap on it. Now go to effect. Click on add effect. You get my point? So you come to text. Now click on text transform. Click on standard settings. So at this point you see we have text, we have range, transform, visual attribute, interpolation and easing. We have random order and so on. So on the range, look at it here. You get my point. Now go to transform. When you go to transform, you set yours. We select later. If you click on it, you see if you want the animation to go by word by word, or by lines, or by letters. You get my point? So I'll select my own here, letter. Then the anchor settings has to be component. So you select component. You get my point? Then there you are going to see offset, angle, scale, stretch and alpha. So that is just it for that. So now what we're gonna do is to go to offset. Now on the Y axis, you're going to tap on this Y like this. It is either you bring it down or you take it up. Understand? So you're going to bring it down like this. Not completely down. You can just leave it somewhere here. I'll leave it at 120. You get my point? Then when I'm done with this, then I'll have to go to range. Now on the range, what you need to do is to, now if you increase this range like this is what you're going to get. Each letters will be moving up each of them will be moving up at the beginning of this layer. Now we are going to move it to 2 seconds. So from here we add another keyframe and increase the start value to 100. So now if you are to play the video, you're going to have something like this. Guys, I believe you get my point. Now let me show you something. So now if you come to the offset and reduce the Y value to 0, then you tap on the X value, come here, then you increase it like this. So if you are to play the video, you're going to have something like this. That is, it's coming from the side. You get my point? So that is just it. So we're going to return the offset to 0, and we are going to have it back like this. So you can also use the angle option to do this. So if you go to angle, then we increase the angle value like this. Maybe let's leave it here at 25. Then if you play the video, you're going to have something like this. You get my point? So we're going to take it back to 0. I'm showing you so you will know how to which one you want. You get my point? Now let's go to scale. Click on scale. So you increase the scale. Make sure you like and share this video. So we're going to reduce it to 0. So if you go down, even the stretch option, if you increase the value of the stretch option like this and play the video, this is what you're gonna get. So even if you go to alpha, you reduce. Okay, let's return the stretch to 0. So you will understand very well. Now go to alpha, you reduce the value like this. Now some of you that uses CapCut, you understand that CapCut has a fading option, fading animation. So this one gives you the fading animation, because if you play the video, it will be like this. That is fading animation. You get my point? So we're gonna return it to 0. So now we are going to come back to offset and click on the Y. Then from here we are going to increase it to 120. So it will be like this. You get my point? Also, if I come and select word here, then you are going to have something like this. Now it's going word by word, not letter by letter. You get my point? But we want it letter by letter, so you click on letter here, then you are going to have it come up like this. So that is just it, guys. I believe you are following. I believe you get my point. Now the next one we are going in is visual attribute. So when you click on visual attribute, you can see that the text here, you override the fill color, turn it on, then you can select another color. So maybe I'll select mine here, blue. So at this point I can come here can come to this alpha and reduce a little. You get my point? I just don't want the color to be completely blue. Understand? I want that it's coming in is fading. As it's coming in is fading. So we get it completely. So that is just it. So the next thing we are going to go into is the interpolation and easing. So you click on it. You get my point? So now we have ease in and ease out. So for some of us that have been on CapCut, if you go to graph, you see we have ease in, we have ease out. You get my point there? It's the same thing. So from here you can adjust the ease into 100, then ease out to minus 100. We have overlap here. Understand? So if I'm to play the video, you get my point? You see the difference? So that's just it. So you come here and select what I just selected. So to make the animation so smooth, you're gonna go to overlap and increase the overlap value. So I'll leave my own here at 500. So if I'm to play the video, you're gonna have and can combine them, understand, to give you a smooth and a lovely text animation. So for example, if I want to go to scale now, if I reduce the scale like this, then I play the video. Cut it here. You see what I'm talking about? So you can combine any of them. Combine the scale, combine the stretch, and combine the stretch. Can combine with the alpha. Like if you want to increase or you want to decrease it, understand? So all of these things are the things you can combine all of them, then you play. It will give you a nice text animation just like this. You get my point? Yeah. So guys, I believe I'm able to explain the use of this text animation using the Alight Motion app. So what I want you to do for me is to like this video and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, if you've learned something, and I believe you've learned something. So please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing update like this. You get my point? So without wasting much time, see you in our next video.